wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Excellency Abihanif and Uminda, all my teacher, all my friends, my mom, my dad, and my beloved family. In here, I am Sarah Auli Arif from 12th grade at Senior High School, Lariban Vida. In here, I want to tell you about cause and triggers of sneezing. Okay. What is sneezing? Sneezing is one of your body's most common action, but we don't often think about how and why happen. But we don't often take the time to stop and think about how and why happen. Nah, cause of sneezing is there are like nose trauma, breathing cold air, because dirt, because debris, and even nasal sprays. Also sneezing is simply an involuntary release of air that helps body to get rid of irritants in your nose and throat, like allergen, dirt, and dust. And there are the sneeze reflex start with irritation of nasal lining, as sensed by the cilia of the cells. Before you sneeze. Before you sneeze, your pressure build up in your chest as your chest muscles compress your lung and vocal cords close. And when your vocal cords suddenly open again, air is driven up your respiratory tract and through your nose at a high speed. Your eyes shut and your diaphragm move upward as your chest nostrils contract, releasing air from your lungs. And Dr. Mims always recommend to patients to cover sneeze by sneezing into their upper arm, elbow, and tissue rather than hand. I'm sorry for my mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.